My first phone of 2023 is here. Today we're checking out the latest Infinix Zero 5G 2023 that is here to give possibly the most affordable package with the latest new hardware. Yes, it's one of the first phones to have the latest Mediatek 1080 5G chip. But let's start off with the design, and first up I gotta say the phone actually has a headphone jack. It's probably going to be one of the few phones moving into 2023 with this feature. As for the back, the Zero 5G has a beautiful curved design. The white model looks super clean with the minimal bump, rocking a triple camera setup with the main 50 megapixel f1.6 lens that is actually surprisingly good in low light situations. More on that later. Now it's a big phone with a display that is coming at 6.7 inches, pretty bright, and of course with 120Hz refresh rate. Even at this price of around $250, like this phone is coming with 120Hz refresh rate instead of 90. It feels really smooth, and I think this refresh rate should actually be the standard for all Android phones moving in 2023. Now the phone can also switch intelligently from 120Hz to 60Hz to save battery. Speaking of battery, Infinix promises up to 29 days of standby time. Depending on your usage, you can easily get up to 2 days of battery life. And a lot of this has to do with the star of the show, which is the new Mediatek 1080 5G chip. This is a 6nm chip which is very well optimized to enhance incredible performance and of course maximize the battery life. Thanks to the latest Melee GPU, it is good with the gaming as well. I'm able to play the latest titles at high settings without any issues. A very solid performer indeed, especially at this price point where in the past we haven't seen a very good chip. It's packing a monster 5000 mAh battery, so it is excellent for those long hours of gaming or those long hours of social media usage, whatever you prefer. And when you have to charge the phone, it comes with a 33-watt fast charging, which means up to 50% of battery in just 30 minutes of charge. And yes, all the accessories come inside the box, so you don't have to spend any extra cash, which means incredible value. Now with all that is good, at this price there's always a catch, and that is software. The phone does come with some ads pre-installed, so it's definitely not going to have the best look out of the box, but all this is uninstallable, so it's not permanent. Plus you can actually set up a custom launcher like Nova Launcher and have your own unique look to it because it is Android after all. Now taking a look at the cameras on the back, we have the main 50 megapixel f1.6 lens, and like I said earlier, it does a pretty good job with the photos with nice detail even in pretty dark scenarios. I wish I was able to test this phone out in a sunny day or something, but it's still able to bring out the colors that are very satisfying to my eyes. Another area where Infinix has improved is the portrait mode performance. This phone is doing quite a lot better compared to my previous experience with the Infinix phone, so the edge detection is quite on point as well as the detail. Now they have made an interesting decision of not including an ultra wide angle lens, which I can kinda understand because instead of having a bad ultra wide angle lens, they went with a good 50 megapixel main camera sensor that is actually quite capable, and I kind of support this move better than having a mediocre lens. However, there's no optical image stabilization on this phone for the video. The built-in electronic stabilization will help if you're shooting in 1080p mode. So overall, considering the powerful Mediatek chip and the solid performance and the exceptional battery life with 13 gigs of RAM for incredible multitasking, along with the fact that you're getting all the accessories inside the box with a price of $239 along with 5G of course, this thing could actually be perfect for the budget lovers. The Infinix Zero 5G 2023 is setting a good mark for budget affordable phones and how you don't need to spend $500 to get great battery life and performance or miss out on chargers and accessories from the box. You can't deny the value at this price, but yeah, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.